Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, I am sorry because I have promised you that I will upload interview video on Sunday, but unfortunately because of my work I won't be able to. So I am shooting this video on Sunday at 9 p.m. Actually क्या होता है कि on Saturday and Sunday I have to do my work because Monday to Friday I have my training and I don't get time. So only I have Sunday and Saturday, so that's why मुझे अपना सारा काम निपटाना होता है और उसके बाद मैं ट्राई करती हूँ कि मैं वीडियो शूट कर लूँ, एडिट कर लूँ, अपलोड कर दूँ, बट वही है ना कि व्लॉग थोड़ा सा हो जाता है. बट आई एम हियर टू टेल यू गाइज हाउ टू गिव इंटरव्यू इन Akasa Air, or if you want to give interview in any airline for cabin crew. Let's get started. So if you want to give interview in Akasa Air for cabin crew, you have to go on any browser, search for Akasa Air careers. You will find in-flight jobs. Once you will find the search option, you have to search cabin crew freshers job, or if you are experienced, then you can find for cabin crew experience, and then you will find whatever will be the opening at that time. So you will find it. You have to fill the form, you have to upload your documents. Once you will fill all the documents, then you will get mail whenever will be the opening in the area which you have chosen. So you will get a mail from Akasa Air that you are invited for the cabin crew interview in Akasa Air. So it depends that if it will be a virtual interview or it will be a walk-in interview. I have given virtual interview. My 2 rounds were virtual and the last round was face-to-face interview, for which I have visited Akasa Air Learning Academy in Gurgaon. So after that, of course, as I have given my interview virtual, so I will tell you everything what they have asked and how was the interview. For the virtual round, I have received the mail in May, so I have given my interview pretty good. Once you receive the mail for virtual round, it was written there that at which time you have to click on the link and join the meeting on the specific date. So I was having my interview in May. So once I have started my interview, she asked me about my introduction. Then she crossed question on it. Whatever I have spoken in my introduction, she have asked the question from that only. And other than that, she have not asked me about Akasa Air at that time because she wanted to know about me only. So after that, I have received the mail on the same day that I have cleared the first round and I will be getting the invitation for second round soon. After some days, I have received the invitation for my second round, which was in June. Yeah, it took a long time, but again, we cannot do anything. We have to be patient and trust the process. So after that only I have given my second round in June. There was 2 interviewers. Again same thing, on the specific date or specific time I have to join the meeting. So I joined, and then again they both asked me about my intro. So I have given my intro. They crossed question again. They have asked a little bit about Akasa Air. I have spoken everything whatever I knew about Akasa Air. This time I have cleared the interview and I was so excited. After that in July I received the mail that I am having my third round, for which I have to go to Akasa Air office, which is in Gurgaon. Actually at that day I was in my office and I saw the mail. I was so surprised that oh my god, tomorrow I am having my interview and what I am doing here. At the moment I saw the mail, I went home back. I have prepared whatever I have to speak in my introduction. So in introduction, what you have to speak about yourself, about your education, whatever achievements you have. Yeah, that's it. So you have to speak everything, and if you have past experience in any job, you can share that also. So this happened and then I went for the interview. I was very nervous. There was 2 interviewers. I was very nervous from inside, but I showed that no, I am pretty confident. So once I started, actually the face-to-face interview, it was so long. I think it took 15 minutes. I'm not scaring you guys, but yeah, I have given my interview for 15 minutes. It was different for everyone. Some people came out in just 5 or 10 minutes, but for me it was 15 minutes. They asked me to start my introduction. I have given my introduction. Then first person, he cross questioned me from my introduction, and then He asked me about my experience, why I joined my previous company, why I am leaving my previous company, and what are my traits to become a cabin crew, and what is my weakness, what is my strength, and why I want to become a cabin crew, why I want to become a cabin crew in Akasa Air, and what is the thing which attracts me towards the Akasa Air. So he have asked me many questions and then I have replied. And also then the other person, she asked me about my journey. So I have explained everything from the initial days of my school till my 12th, and then pursuing my graduation, and then doing this job which I was doing before. So yeah, they have asked me everything. They knew everything about me at that time, and then that's it. Yeah, they have asked these questions only and I have given pretty big answers, and yeah, I was confident, I was fluent in English, so that's why I think I have cleared the interview. So after that, I think after a week or maybe 10 days, I received the mail that I have cleared all the rounds of the Akasa Air for a cabin crew, and then I have to go through the documentation. At that time I was actually going out with my friend, and I was going for shopping, and then I saw that mail. Oh my god, I was literally crying, I was in tears that yeah, I made it, I was so happy. Even I am so happy right now, but yeah, I was so happy at that time. I just hugged my mother, I cried at that time. She was also in tears, that happy tears. Oh my god, the feeling, that feeling, that is so pure when you achieved your dream and you know that yes, I have made it finally, that I have lived, and I'm so happy about that. Right now also I'm so excited. It is like a dream for me. Right now I'm feeling that I am dreaming. It is not true, I am just dreaming. I don't know what is happening. So I cannot even express the feeling, but yes, finally I made it. And I am sure guys, if you are dedicated to something, no, you will make it for sure. If you really want to do something, you will do it. Just you have to be patient, and you have to trust the process, and you have to trust yourself that yes, you will make it for sure. But again, you have to be patient. So these are the things which was happening in my interview. So what is the main thing which you have to keep in your mind during your interview? So first thing, you should have your passport for sure. If you are having passport, then only you can apply for cabin crew in any airline. This is because if you are not having passport, you are not eligible to become a cabin crew or do job in aviation. Other thing are your documents, of course, your government document, class 10th mark sheet, class 12th mark sheet. If you are graduate, then that, and if you are experienced, then experience letter, and if you have worked in aviation already, so the AP surrender copy and everything you have to give. That will be mentioned, but in starting the passport is mandatory. And other thing which you have to keep in mind is English. You have to be fluent in English, and you should understand what the other person is saying, and you should speak. Of course, if you are speaking English properly, you will understand for sure. And similarly, Hindi is also very important. So if you are the person who is living in some region of India like South India, East India, they don't know how to speak Hindi properly. So you should speak Hindi. It should be at least good, because they will ask you how much Hindi you know. And for the people who are from other regions of India who don't speak Hindi much, so I think they will ask in interview about that also. So you should know how to speak Hindi, and then you should understand what the other person is saying if they are speaking Hindi. So both Hindi and English are mandatory. Other than this, I don't think there is anything which is left. But yeah, the interview process, after like once you will clear the interview, the documentation and everything, I will upload the another vlog for that, so stay tuned with me. And if you have any query, please comment below. And if you want the answers for the questions which I have mentioned, or otherwise if there is any question which you think interviewer will ask you, what should you answer, so you can ask that also in comment section. I will definitely upload another video on your questions. And yeah, once you clear all the round of the interview, after that also there is a long process which take time. So that's why I'm saying stay tuned with me. I will make another video on the documentation and the medical and everything, so you can understand what you have to do. That's it for this video. I hope you liked my video. So don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel, and please share this video as much as you can, so all the aspirants of aviation, they can see my video and they will get the idea what to do and what not. So yeah, that's it for this video. See you guys soon. Bye bye.